So this is how this Yamaha acoustic guitar looked like when it came to me for repairs and fixing. The headstock was broken into two parts. I clamped it back together, and this is how the guitar looked like when I fixed the broken headstock together. Here's how the guitar looked like before re-leveling, re-crowning and repolishing of the frets. And here's how the guitar looks like post re-leveling, re-crowning and repolishing of the frets. The frets look uniformly crowned and polished. The fret ends have been rounded off. So now the player will be able to adjust this guitar even below standard action recommendations without string buzzing. Furthermore, the guitar's intonation will be more accurate. As you will notice on the fret scale, this shows the standard action recommendations for an acoustic guitar. However, where we ended up in terms of the final guitar action values is below the standard recommendation, and if you notice on the 12th fret for the low E and the high E string, the action value set is below recommendation. We could do this because the guitar was relatively new and had the perfect neck angle. So thanks for watching. This is Leroy here from Intune Instruments, and goodbye.